Hey guys, this is THCuber and you're watching my unboxing from the cubicle.us. Alright guys, here we go. So first, we have some Marulu, which I got because I was running out. Next, we have the Shengshou Kilominx. We have some stickers for a cube that will be there. The Yushin 5x5 springs. Which, yes, there is 6. Here is Megaminx and some stickers for my Yushiao, because the stickers on my Yushiao are, these sides are kind of chipping. Yeah. Alright, we have a cubicle stand. That's pretty nice. We have the Shengshou Megaminx, which I have tried one of my competitions that I just went to, and I really liked it. So this will be my main because all my other Megaminxes are very bad. And then lastly, we have the new Thunderclap, which is, I guess it's just called the new Thunderclap, or Thunderclap V2. Alright guys, so we don't really have to get into the lube, so I'll just set that aside. And then we got our stickers, springs, and nice yellow cube stand, another addition to my collection. So first I'm gonna get into the Shengshou Kilominx. Okay, there we go. It's like dusty, and like you've heard, all the Shengshou puzzles are kind of greasy out of the box. This isn't as greasy like when I unboxed my 10x10, but it wasn't on this channel. When I did that, it was way more greasy, but yeah, it has some stuff on it, the stickers, I don't know what that is, but let's see. It turns pretty well. The shades, I think they're just the normal shades that they have. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty fun puzzle. Next, I'm gonna get into the Shengshou Megaminx pamphlet. Here it is. It's again a little greasy, but yeah, very good turning. I'm excited to put my first Megaminx shades on it. Yeah, awesome. Alright, next, I'm pretty excited for this cube, the new Shengshou, the new Thunderclap. I was just so used to saying Shengshou. Wow, it comes in this, as a pamphlet in there, comes in this nice cube holder. that's pretty nice. Alright, yeah. That's cool. And these shades look like exactly like Moyu's. Like exactly. I don't have anything close by, but let's get into first turns. Alright, so the tensions are a little tight. It's pretty fluid. I'm not getting any catches. Let's see. It's kind of bumpy. And it's moderately fast. Let's get into corner cutting. So 45. Yep. Over. Yep. Like way over. See if it goes the other way. Yeah, it got a little bit like, oh, there it went. Wait. Yeah, alright. Next, let's try reverse. Yeah, line to line easily. On tighter tensions, this cube has like very good corner cutting, so I'm very excited to break this in because I heard it gets like a lot better in breaking in, which I'm liking this cube already. So yeah. Also, guys, there's this other new lube that came out from the Cubicle. It's called Lubical Silk, I think, and I'm gonna try that at Nationals. So yeah, I might get some of that, and I've heard great things about it. So if you're at Nationals, you might want to try that out. So yes, sorry, I have that OCD thing. That was my unboxing from thecubicle.us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.